Good morning, everyone. I'm here in a hurry because unfortunately I wasn't aware that today is the English paper of class 10. So there was a query yesterday regarding the analytical paragraph. So quickly, I'm going to give you some salient features. If possible, teachers, kindly show this video to your students, right? So I'll just share a few brief important points regarding analytical paragraph. It's writing, that is. Okay, so basically, what is analytical paragraph? It is a structured piece of writing which examines, explains, and evaluates a topic logically and critically. It's not a summary. Please understand, it's not a summary. It analyzes a given text, product, event, or concept by breaking it down into key aspects and explaining their significance. Now, quickly, what are the salient features of an analytical paragraph? Number one, it has to have a clear focus on the topic. That is, the paragraph should be based on a specific theme or aspect of the given subject. Second, it has to have a logical analysis. That is, instead of just simply listing facts, it should explain how and why something is important. Number three, use of evidence. That is, facts, examples, or textual references should support the analysis which you are giving. Fourth, it should be coherent. It should have a coherent structure. The idea should be presented in a logical sequence, and there should be a clear progression of your thought. Number five, your language has to be concise and precise. That is, the writing should be clear, direct, and free from any unnecessary details. Last but not the least, there has to be no personal opinion. This paragraph should be objective and it should be based on logical reasoning rather than emotions or personal beliefs. Now, how to write it? Quickly, a very quick recap. Number one step is start with a topic sentence. Introduce the main idea of the paragraph in a clear and engaging way. Second, analyze the key features. That is, identify and explain each feature logically, whether it's a shoe or it's a product or whatever. Explain all features logically. Connect each feature to its benefit or impact. Like if this is the feature, this is the benefit that it's going to provide. Number three, use evidence and explanation. That is, you support your analysis with the facts from the given information or logical reasoning. Then conclude effectively. That is, you sum up the main points in a strong closing statement, which should reinforce the significance of the analysis. So these were the main features of an analytical paragraph and how to write it. And last 4 points to sum up. Focus on the analysis, not just the description. Explain the why and how behind each feature. Maintain logical flow and coherence, and conclude with a strong summarizing statement. So that's it. All the best to all of my students and my fellow colleagues and teachers. May God bless you in your efforts, and may all children score very, very well in their exams. Thank you so much. Take care. I'll be back with a proper presentation. This was just a hurried kind of, summary which I wanted to provide to my students. Thank you. All the best once again. Have a good day. Bye-bye.